Hello friends, this is Vijay and I'm back again with my new video, and in this video of mine I'll show you what is inside Lenovo A7000 K3 Note, A7000 Plus or Lenovo A7000 Turbo. I mentioned all these phones because the design and look of all these phones are similar, so you can expect the same hardware inside it with just a few changes in every phone. The video is just for showing what's inside these devices, so I advise you all to not open your phone in this video. It may malfunction your device. So guys, hit the like button if you like this video, and you can also dislike this video. You can subscribe to my channel for further updates, as I will be posting more updates. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's start this video. was all about this video. You can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for further updates. If you have any queries, just comment down in the comment section below and I try to reply you as soon as possible. So guys, this is VJ signing off and I hope to see you in my next video.